Hi everybody, welcome back to our unboxing video series. My name is Darren LaPrade and I'm an application engineer here at Burt Process Equipment. Today we're going to be unboxing MP Pump 21381. Alright, let's jump into it. So this FLOMAX 15 pump features a cast iron body with 3-inch inlet and outlet connections, MPT threaded. Fluid enters in through the housing through this flapper style valve in here. The purpose of that is fluid will enter, it'll fill up the cavity, creating a vacuum inside, allowing this pump to be completely self-priming. This is where the impeller is located. This impeller is a semi-open, dynamically balanced design, which has reinforced vanes along the ridges, allowing for solids to pass through this pump without causing severe damage to the impeller and the internal housing of the pump. You can see that this is where the fluid would be discharged out of the top. We have flow capabilities up to 320 gallons a minute at 145 feet of head. This pump contains a single Type 21 cartridge style mechanical seal. That mechanical seal is comprised of a carbon rotating face, ceramic seats, and Viton elastomers. The reason for that is to prevent leaks, especially with the abrasive fluids that this pump typically sees. There's also a double mechanical seal option that works great for a lot of dry run applications. This pump is also an ABS approved product, commonly found in marine, agricultural, and industrial applications. Just due to its robustness, this pump performs very well in chemical transfer and even can handle some solid transfer applications as long as those solids are underneath the diameter of 5/8 inches. All right, that concludes our unboxing video for today. Thank you for watching. I hope it was informative. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our website, Shop Burt, for all of your pumping needs.